Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see what is, or clause, in MySQL. Let's use our school database. And take a look, on our all the data. In students table. So this is our present data. Suppose we want to extract data, but based on ID, ID should be greater than 3, and lesser than 7. For that, just use where clause. And write ID should be greater than 3. Then use, and clause, write condition ID should be smaller than 7. So you can see it works, and we already done this things in previous video. Now here just do one thing, remove and clause, and put, or clause. Execute this. Now the question is, why output is like this? The answer is very simple. And clause check both the conditions, but if you will use, or clause, then if both the condition is possible, it is return us both the outputs. Let's do one thing, remove the star, and put first name here. After execution, you can see the results are same of first column. Now one thing I want to show you, suppose I want to use both, or and clause. After brackets, put and condition, write first name should be, Vishal. So it was the example, how we can use two clauses in one query. Now let's take one more example. We want to see, ID should be greater than 2, but name should be Vishal. So remove this ID condition. And write, ID should be greater than 2. Put and clause in between. Now execute this, so the result will be only one Vishal, because and clause will apply both the conditions to give one output. Let's change the clause here to or. Now after execute you can see, it will use both the conditions but to give multiple outputs. Now let's change the name here, remove Vishal and put Neha. You can see it is starting from 3, and also gives the name Neha in output. Now if you will change clause, from or to and, it will return only single output. This is how the clauses are different. We will see more things in next videos. Please subscribe to the channel.